What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you a special one, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle with a 1970 front clip, 383 stroker, T56. This car is a treat, really cool. 20-inch 4G auto wheels. Show you this thing running. Listen to that exhaust note, it sounds awesome. Fully custom interior, suede and leather. Just listen to that. So you could start it with the key or the push button start, either one. You got interior lights here. Give it some power. Interior lights. Kind of hard to see them. Interior lights. Here's your 6-speed transmission. T56 paired up with the 383 drives well. It's got vintage air. Really cool. I believe that's a Dakota dash. Like I said, all suede. Really cool. Let's move on to the trunk here. All suede as well. Really, really cool. Custom everything. I mean, this was a one-off build. You're not going to find one like this. I mean, it really speaks for itself. 4-wheel disc brakes. I'm going to have underneath photos on the website. It's got the flapper hood as well. There's your billet pulleys in the front, headers, dual exhaust, of course. I mean, this thing is really, really cool. If you want to be different, this is the car. Like I said, all suede and leather. Doors close nicely. They open beautifully. And there's underneath. Like I said, I'll have photos on the website. It's got a Comp Extreme Energy camshaft, dart cylinder heads, MSD ignition. I mean, everything you'd ever need. Scorpion rockers. It's got a 411 limited slip. Willwood right here up front. Willwood booster and master cylinder. Just a really impressive build. 70 front clip. 72 rear. I'm gonna go ahead and lower the hood. Put the hood pins on. Bear with me for a moment. Boom, right here. Just look at that. Looks awesome. If you're interested in this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, please contact us at 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse location in Addison, Illinois. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Please visit our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. Take a look at those halo headlights right there. We get new cars in almost every day, so keep checking the website and keep checking the YouTube channel because you're not going to want to miss a thing. Hope everyone has a great day. I want to see you guys come out to MGM Classic Cars. Treat yourself. See what you could get because we got something for everyone. Because remember, it looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.